Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we'll be taking a look at a pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Under the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds torque. Comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, a black MB-Tex interior, panoramic sunroof. Come around back here, we've got a rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, fresh set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Come alongside here, we've got our burl walnut trim, heated seats, memory seats, blind spot assist. This one does come with the Premium 1 package. Inside here we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up real quick here. Rear backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, our command center. This vehicle only has 25,954 miles. If you'd like to view more photos, check out feldmanimports.com.